Kia ora koutou. This is part 2 about ngā momo rerenga kupu, types of phrases. In this video, we'll be looking at the phrase kia ai, which we will use to say so that. There are 3 different parts of the sentence where we're going to be using this phrase. When we combine kia with ai in these types of sentences, it's mainly used to indicate that one action is a result of another. The first thing will happen so that the second thing can happen. So let's have a look at the 3 elements of the sentence now. Here's our English sentence. Come here so that we can talk. I'll start with our instruction phrase, haere mai ki konei, come here. Next up, we have the first part of our phrase, kia, and then the second thing that happens, kōrero, followed by the rest of our kia ai phrase, and lastly, the remainder of the sentence, taua, as in we, you and I. Haere mai ki konei, kia kōrero ai taua. Come here so that we can talk. Let's have a look at another couple of examples now. Here's the first one. Hua kina te matapihi kia rere atu ai e rā rango. Open the window so that those flies can escape. And the last one. Ka rangatia ngā manuhiri kia kai ai rātou. Call the visitors so that they can have something to eat. Here's some more examples. The first examples I showed you all instructions, but these ones use some other tenses. Here's the first one. I haere mātou ki te ngahere kia kite ai mātou inga kereru. We went to the forest so that we could see wood pigeons. Our next example. Ka hoko kai ahera kia whāngai ai ia I tāna pepi. Hera will buy food so that she can feed her baby. And the last one. Kua whakangu au I te paua ka whakaata kia moe ai ahau. I've muted the television so that I can sleep. So there you have it. Kua hanga au I tēnei atata kia ako ai koe I tēnei rerenga kupu. I've made this video so that you can learn this phrase. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this or any of my videos helpful, please let me know. Drop me a like or a comment or hit the subscribe button. Ngā mihi nui kia koutou katoa. Hei kona.